এই আপনারা এইদিকে যান।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here present, the most honorable founder and MD of Gazipur Shahin Khalid Academy, Muhammad Farooq Sikdar sir. Honorable directors of Gazipur Shahin Khalid Academy, Muhammad Najib Hussain sir and Muhammad Akhtar Hussain sir. Respectable all the teachers of Gazipur Shahin Khalid Academy, elite guardians and all the spectators, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Hope that you are very well and I'm also very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. At first, I'd like to introduce myself. This is Sidratul Mutawallamna and I'm 13 years old. I study in the 6th at Khalid Raj. You know that I admitted in the school with a big dream. The dream is I want to get a chance in Khalid College. Now I'm going to tell something about my result. I got 3rd position in first term exam in 2025. You know that last year our one student, Hasibul Hassan Nisha, got chance in Kumula Khalid College. So, congratulations to Hasibul Hassan Nisha because the teaching method of Gazipur Shahin Khalid Academy is the best method in Bangladesh. That's why every year a lot of students are got chance in different Khalid College in Bangladesh. So I request all of you, please tell your relatives the good side of Gazipur Shahin Khalid Academy teaching method. Lastly, I want to say, please send your kids to get better education from Gazipur Shahin